Hey everybody! Alright, so I have a whiteboard, I have a marker, and I'm ready to show some things I already know. So way back last year, you talked about some very common flat shapes. Probably things you even knew before that, but let's talk about them and do our best to draw them. Okay, so this first one we're going to draw starts with a C, but it is a circle. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. I'm a little bit constrained for size here, so I will do my best job. So when you and I are drawing a circle on the whiteboard, you'll notice it's not perfectly round, right? But we understand that, oh, Mr. W's trying to draw a circle. A circle doesn't have any corners, any straight sides. It's round all the way. Yep, that is called a circle. Easy. Square. Oh, I have lots of space here. The thing about a square is all four sides are straight. All four corners are called right angles. They're straight up and down, right? Side to side, kind of like the corners of your room. All four of them. So there's another right angle. There's another right angle. All four of these sides are the same length. So I'm putting a little hash mark or hatch mark, I don't know what exactly they are, to indicate that this side is the same length as this side. Four sides, all right angles, that's called a square. Triangle, there are many of them, right? There are triangles that are kind of lying down, right? There are triangles that are kind of standing up. There are triangles that are kind of perfectly equal on all their sides. There are probably other triangles that are very, very wide. Right? All these triangles have names, and we will learn their names. But what do they all have in common? Well, triangles all have three sides. Tri means three. Tricycle, right? Triangle. Three wheels on a tricycle, three angles, three sides on a triangle. Yep. Rectangles and squares are very similar. Okay? It depends how you define them exactly, but usually a rectangle is talked about as having opposite sides that are the same length, so both of these are the same, and both of those are the same. It could be that they're all the same, right? They're related to one another, but it doesn't have to be. Usually a rectangle is thought of as having two long sides and two short sides. But really the definition of a rectangle has more to do with the opposite sides being equal. But also right angles, almost like a square that someone squished or sat on. This has been a review of some things that I know you already knew. Hopefully you drew some triangles, talked about some squares, tried to draw a perfect circle, and came up with a rectangle for me. Speaking of perfect circles, see if you can't come up with a plan. How could Mr. W actually come up with a pretty round circle? Do you have any ideas? Thanks now.